Yeah, I see the gate. Anything?
Not yet. Probably a southbound then, huh?
Yeah.
Nope.
North. It's a 533.
Alright, so we might as well go into the Amtrak, huh?
Yeah.
We missed that one. Let's check these signals.
Huh?
We'll check these signals real quick.
I'm surprised to see 533 at this time.
Is the 533 the little one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. I was at 5724, I think.
I didn't see the numbers. Everything's red. Which means there's probably going to be one coming out of Canada soon.
Maybe.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully.